At the end of a difficult day, doing this process will leave you feeling calm and refreshed instead of anxious and burned out. We're going to use the havening touch, as in a safe haven, and it involves the touching of the side of your arms down to the palms of your hands like that. Now this produces a massive delta wave, which changes the way that your brain processes things. So, for example, I'm going to ask you to begin doing this with me. Do the havening touch. That's right. And as you do this touch, I'd like you to replay the difficult day that you've had, but replay it in reverse order. That's right. So start at the end of the day, and in reverse order, work backwards as you stroke the side of your arms and the palms of your hands. That's right. Just thinking back through the day as you apply the havening touch. That's right. Keep going back through the day. Those challenges, those difficult things. That's right. That's it. Keep going back through the day. Those challenging and difficult things. That's right. As you apply the havening touch. Now, we're going to do something else as you go back through it once again. This time, I'd like you to drain all the color out of it. So as you go back through the difficult day, it's all in black and white. That's right. Whole thing's in black and white. As you're viewing what took place that was challenging and difficult, but now begins to feel different. That's right. Going back through those difficult and challenging situations, but they're all in black and white. Keep thinking about the difficult day, but it's in black and white, like an old movie. Then, one more thing. I'd like you to move the image or the movie of that difficult day way off into the distance. So it's like it's happening to somebody else. So replaying the difficult day, going back through it in black and white, way over there, a small black and white movie of it. That's it, playing backwards. That's it, playing backwards. That's it, just keep doing the havening touch and replaying the difficult movie of the difficult day. And it's so small and black and white that it's lost its power. You've de-linked the thoughts of the day from the feelings. So now you feel so much calmer, more relaxed, and you've recoded the difficult day in a way that's compartmentalized it, leaving you free to feel good.